lows in the lower 30s. South winds. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, east central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McEwen, Oregon, 10 miles east of Waverly, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This thunderstorm has had a history of producing large hail of between 1 to 2 inches.
Oh, dang.
Locations impacted include Dixon, White Bluff, McEwen, Burns, Charlotte, and Van Leer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,